How to crop a photo on iPhone. To crop a photo on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and open up Photos on your iPhone. Here, you will be able to view and edit all the photos and videos. Now, open a photo from your gallery. After that, you need to tap on the edit icon from the bottom panel. Here, you will find 3 basic editing options. From here, tap on the crop icon. After that, drag the corners to crop the photo. Resize it according to your requirements. Once you're finished resizing the photo, tap on Done at the top right corner of your screen. There you go, you have successfully cropped the photo. By following these simple steps, you can easily crop any photo on your iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.